As I record this video, today is the Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to you. And today on this video, I want to celebrate an incredible individual who I do not know. This video is dedicated as a tribute to Coach Terry Nanette. I don't know Coach Terry Nanette, but she came on my channel and she said, I really love, watching your videos. I think, I love your in the car videos, something like that. That was first comment. And exactly 4 hours later, she made one more comment on the another on one of my another videos where she said, please don't stop doing what you're doing, something like that, along those lines. I'm paraphrasing that. So first of all, Coach Terry Nanette, thank you for stopping by. I believe the reason why you saw my videos is because you are also recording videos in your car. I think the algorithm somehow figured that out. I have no idea. I'm pretty sure my video got recommended to you. So first of all, thank you for stopping by, liking the video, and then giving me the encouragement. So thank you for that. You walk the talk, Coach Terry Nanette. You walk the talk. 600 videos, 3.5 roughly 1,000 subscribers. That's not casual. That's commitment on your side. So this goes on to prove that my car is not my sanctuary, but it is your sanctuary also. So it is not what we do. This is just not a car, but this is a place where we confess. And this is the quiet space. This is where the deep thoughts happen. This is where the truth flows. And we don't need a studio to convey what we have got going in our hearts and what we got going in our minds. So you just prove that. This is again what I'm doing inside my car is again proves that authenticity is greater than all the aesthetics. Expensive studios, shaky camera is much better than the high production value videos which do not have soul. You prove that. I'll tell you this, everybody who's watching this video, please go check out at Coach Terry Nanette. Check out her channel. And she has little bit incredible production than mine, but the soul is absolutely there. I checked out your channel, Coach Nanette, and incredible, amazing what you're doing. Okay, 600 videos later, you're not building views and you're not building followers. You are building a community. And I see the vibe there already. Okay, just to kind of reflect on this little bit more for everybody who is watching this video. You're watching this video just to as you see people like me or Coach Nanette, and there are so many other people. People are hiking, they're recording videos. They're doing their daily chores. They're recording videos. And for us in the group of people that we belong to, we all are in that group. Where for us creation is healing. Okay, and sometimes we record not because we want to teach something or not that we have something to say, that we want to heal. If you really read our videos and watch our videos, you see that this is therapy for us. This in a way is a spiritual practice for us. And when we speak, when we try to convey what is happening with us, we are also listening to us. There is a long time ago, I heard somebody say that words heal the speaker before even they are healing the audiences, or before it does anything for the listener. It does a lot to the speaker. Incredible. See, clearly the algorithm doesn't play a role, even though it played an incredible role in connecting us, but has absolutely no role in all this. This is about the audiences. I can tell you that I can take one comment is bigger than 10,000 views for me personally. And Coach Terry Nanette, your comment is, as you clearly see, is the catalyst for this video. It triggered me to do this. This also goes on to tell you that real coaches serve. Okay, if there is a real coach, the real coach is there to serve, nothing to take. It's not about how many people are applauding us. It's not about how many people are liking us, or people who are feeding into our egos. None of that stuff. And I want to, for if you're starting out your YouTube journey, you're starting out, and you see how unreal this is. And I can take this video, it's on YouTube right now, but I can post it on LinkedIn, I can post it on Facebook, I can post it anywhere I want to post. Not that I do that, but not that I'm not saying that I'll not be doing that. You can post it anywhere, you can literally. And some people say, oh, you're recording inside your car, you can't, this doesn't go on LinkedIn, or this doesn't look good on Facebook. Not true. Completely not true. Okay. Consistency matters. Consistency matters. I started on May 19th, and today June 15th. I'm about to finish a month here on YouTube, like consistently producing content. It matters. And I would have never had this connection with Coach Terry Nanette or anybody else, whoever is commenting on this channel. I wouldn't have that connection if I'm not consistently showing up. And look at this amazing lady. She's literally 600 videos, and I don't know, have no idea how long she's doing it. Look at her consistency. And listen, if there is nothing else you take from this, just take your device, whatever device you have, maybe your cell phone, maybe your camera, whatever you have, press the record button. Trust me, okay? But don't wait till you figure out what to say. The truth is inside of you. Just speak the truth. That's all there is to this, okay? And you will never be perfect. You can never be perfect. If I would have waited to start recording, if my accent, when I started very early on 20 years ago, I was worried about how I speak, what I say. I say too many ahs, I say too many ums, and I say too many you knows. I said that numerous times. And then one fine day I woke up and I said, enough is enough. Let me jump into the arena. Let me do what I can do. So there is never going to be a perfect day for whatever you want trying to do. There isn't. So start getting into the game, build real relationships, you'll be meeting incredible people along the way, and you'll create some incredible relationships along the way. It's going to happen. This is how this works. You'll come for the algorithm because you want some views and you want some subscribers, but you will stay for real people. That's what is going to happen. If you really, any of the media, you go Facebook, same thing is going to happen. You go TikTok, same thing is going to, you will go there for something, but then you will stay because you made some real connections. That's the idea. That's the goal. I'm going to stop here. Okay. Keep it real. Whoever you are, keep it real. There is no shortcut. The AI is here, marketing game is going somewhere, God knows where it's going, and you can buy the best YouTube course that tells you exactly what kind of a title to use, what kind of tags to use, all that. Trust me, 9 out of 10 people who are selling you that, they don't know what they're doing. This is how this is done. Watch what Coach Nanette is doing, and at least I'm just nobody in this game. Look at her following, look at her videos, incredible. There's a lot of potential. Everybody's welcome in the game. Everybody has a message. As long as you're truthful, you're going to win this game. Okay, hopefully this was motivational. Hopefully this inspires you. Hopefully, that's my goal. Again, happy Father's Day to you wherever you are. And this is the Father's Day as I'm recording, and this will be published tomorrow on this channel. So a day after Father's Day. So that's how real this I can make it. Okay, so you be safe. I'll talk to you as early as tomorrow. Bye now.